At Camden, victory seemed possible, until the American line collapsed and what should have been a Patriot breakthrough turned into disaster. Welcome to Oliver's History Project, where you'll learn the exciting true history in the novel, The Unlikely Life of Oliver Atkinson. In August 1780, the Revolutionary War shifted south. Both sides believed one battle could decide control of the Carolinas. The Americans were led by Horatio Gates. Facing him was Charles Cornwallis, one of Britain's most aggressive commanders. Gates commanded a force heavy with untested militia, poorly supplied, exhausted, and outmatched by seasoned British regulars. At dawn near Camden, Gates placed militia opposite Britain's best troops, a fatal mistake from the start. When the British attacked, the militia panicked and fled. The American line collapsed almost instantly under British bayonets. Horatio Gates abandoned the battlefield, riding nearly 200 miles in retreat, leaving his army shattered behind him. Camden was a devastating American defeat. Thousands were killed, wounded, or captured, nearly destroying the Southern Army. Camden ended the coward Gates's command, but forced Congress to turn to new leadership, setting the stage for recovery under better generals.